Here's the app called pillowtalk Voice Journal. Feel better journaling with AI. It's a new AI app which went viral. So pillowtalk makes journal easy, fun, and totally private. Just talk or type to vent. Pillowtalk's AI gets you replying with insights that help you understand your source and emotion. With guided journal prompts, you'll dive deeper and figure out what makes you you. I love using pillowtalk in the mornings, and like it's like AI feedback to level up your self awareness. Like your AI therapist went by talking or writing, feel better in minutes, turn emotion into insights with AI, learn about yourself with a journal that replies, keep your thoughts private with password or Face ID, discover patterns, explore journal prompts, sleep more, stress less, and yeah, here is the app. And then you can just go and try to create an account in here. So let's just do it. So now you can just go and create an account. You can skip some of the details if you like. And then there are some notifications. So now there is 14-day free trial. Pre-order special 14-day free trial, then $90 per year. And which other plans? There is also $13 monthly and $112 lifetime, which you get in there. So, but there is also some free version, limited version, where you have it, where you can just explore different topics, your inspiration. Then you can see some quotes, some daily reflections, some exercises, and then your entries, and then your analytics patterns.
Where would you like to begin?
Hey there, how it's going?
It's good to hear from you. How are you feeling today? Anything on your mind that you want to dive into?